So I know I look a mess, so don't pay attention to that. But Slime Kids is about how we make you guys happy and it makes us happy. So it's basically about us selling slime to you guys and making you guys, people, happy because you deserve it. But it's basically about how we give you guys slime and we show you guys slime and we sell slime and all that stuff. So yeah.
Slime is a very good exercise because when you're stressed at school, you squeeze that slime like it was a dead bird. And we make you happy and make us happy. Ding ding. And also, we can deliver. And we'll put a little stand so you guys can get some slime, or you can write your name and it will be delivered to your house. And our YouTube will be down below in the description. The slime kids, I know they will say the slime kids is just about making you guys happy and us happy. And we're going to make extras on and then after I talk, because I don't really have a lot to say, but after I talk, then we're going to play a game. So my we start our slime and then so she said we say slime, but we don't have to wait for it. Just say random slime that we're going to say. And then whoever takes forever to answer, they're out. And then it's just the two people. And then whoever wins, they win. So Maya, go.
Crunchy slime,
Cloud slime.
edible slime, fluffy slime.
Slime. They never said how much stress balls.
Small slime.
Large slime. Medium slime.
Samples.
Samples. Containers. Boxes.
Spoons.
Extra large. Spoons. Extra small.
Delivery.
It's me right now. Sorry. Okay, so now we can start all over, okay? Okay, you go.
Crunchy slime.
Edible.
Fluffy.
Cloud.
Large.
Samples.
Medium.
Small. 5, 4,
Medium.
2, I said medium. Who wins? I win. She wins. She is the most masterous. So she gets
You want to do another round?
candy.
Yes,
Over here in my pattern.
Okay, ready?
You go first.
Okay. Crunchy.
Cloud.
Medium.
Extra large.
Small.
Extra small.
Extra medium.
Containers.
Delivery.
Boxes.
Samples.
Meat large.
Spoons.
We're not saying spoons.
Yes, we are. So then you guys.
I have something to say. After you're red, blue.
Extra large.
Slime kits.
You're not playing.
Slime kits. No, slime kits.
Extra small.
And also here's another thing. If you don't have the money to buy slime,
You can get it
for free. And
free, guys. We're not lying. Free.
And don't mess around with us because
We're trying to make that money.
so don't be like, oh, I don't have any money, so I can just get it for free.
Oh no, I'm broke. Yeah, you got $50 in that pocket.
So we'll be saying, well, like, if you're like mom and dad is here, we'll say like if you really don't have any money to get it, we'll give it for free. If you do, no, we will not.
And
give it
plus,
for free.
You need
I
parent
don't think we should do the free. No free, just sample free.
You need parent supervision.
Yeah.
Seriously. So we're not going to sell it to you if you don't have parental supervision.
You see this candy? It tastes like pineapple.
Here. We do.
Kayla. You guys can call me Kayla, whatever. I'm 9 years old and I'm in 4th grade.
My name's Alexandra. And I'm 9.5, almost 10 years old. I'm about to go in 4th grade. And I'm a YouTuber.
Link in the description.
Below. Super A. So, my name is Maya. I'm the oldest of all of us. I'm 10. By the way, no one's the leader of this. No.
Yeah, there's no leader.
No owner.
And I'm about to go to 5th grade.
Bro,
And I love unicorns.
I love
in the
quesadillas.
description below, if you type the word slimy
Slime Squad.
slime squad,
Hashtag Slime Squad in the comments to get a shout out.
shout out! Boom, boom, boom.
And you'll be the slime kid of the day.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Of the whole day.
Yeah. So, is there anything? Well, I just want to say,
We are awesome.
I'm gonna move the camera so they can see. Okay. So, I don't want to outro the video yet, but I just want to say I love slime.
As much as we love you.
So, we won't be posting. Like, I don't think we're gonna be posting this summer because she's going out of town. We're going out of town, so
We might post vlogs, of course.
yeah, vlogs. Poor thing. Because we're sisters, but she's not our sister. But I think of her as a sister. So.
They're sisters.
We are not just triplets.
It looks like it. I'm the one who.
I mean, we could be sisters, but not triplets. Like, she was born first, you were born second, and I was born third.
that would be wrong. Oh yeah. Because she's 10.
I'm the youngest. So, I'm gonna go get some Pringles.
Say bye bye.
So,
Yeah, and that's all. We just love you. We love slime. We just love you giving you. I love you.
I love you.
And this is
Ow, I just hit myself.
she's the funny one.
I try. I try a lot.
you do?
We're even talking about stuff that's not even about slime, and that's okay.
So, are you guys ready for the outro?
Oh yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Bye, slime savages. Ba-da-ba.